again, called, could, does, every, down, find, give. Again, g, n. Again. Sometimes an A at the beginning of a word can make a short U sound, and the AI in this word is making a short E sound, again. Called, k-a-w-d, called. The base word of this word is call. The ALL is a part of the sound spelling cards where ALL sounds like we're yawning. Oh, the word is called. Could, k-a-d, could. The O-U-L in this word we need to remember by heart. Could. But if you can read could, you should be able to read would and should. The word is could. Does, d-a-z, does. The O in this word is making a short U sound, and the ES in this word is making a Z sound, does. Every, e-v-er-e, every. The ER in this word is a part of the sound spelling pattern, and the Y at the end of a word can sometimes make an E sound, every. Down, d-ow-n, down. Remember that O-W can sometimes sound like ow, down. Find, f-i-n-d, find. I know we probably want to read this word as find, but just know find is not a real word. The I in this word is what we need to remember by heart. Find. Give, g-i-v, give. This word ends with a V sound, and English words do not end in the letter V, and the E is just here as a placement. Give. Ready, friends, it's your turn to read these words on your own. If I go too fast, just pause the video to give yourself more time. Good luck, friends. Did it again. What slide did you see Marty on? Down? Good job at paying attention, friends.